Alright guys, this video is going to be a little bit unusual for me. If you're used to seeing my other videos, I had a request to post these instructions. These are the instructions for timing a magneto on a John Deere 2-cylinder tractor. And I got these instructions from a website, jd2cellservice.com. Now I printed them out a few years ago, and unfortunately it looks like that website has been taken down. So I'm not going to go into the history of it. It's kind of a sad deal, the whole deal with that website being taken down and everything. But these are the instructions that I printed out to help you guys. Now be ready with your pause button if you're writing this stuff down, or if you want to do screenshots and print the screen. I apologize for the notes and stuff that I've written on there, but these are, this is just a copy that I keep out here in the garage, and I'm glad I printed them out, and I'm glad I kept them and didn't just rely on the internet for these. Now that's it for the instructions. I do recall on that website there was a lot of PowerPoint presentations. So this was pertinent information that I printed out from one of those PowerPoint presentations. You can see I've started it there on page 39. So this is an incomplete PowerPoint. But again, these instructions I used to work on my John Deere B, and they worked out great. And you can check, I'll see if I can put a link for that other video. That I made a video while I was working on timing that B. So I'll see if I can link that down below here. And otherwise, hopefully this will help you guys if you're working on a 2-cylinder John Deere also. And again, this is I'm going through them pretty quick, so if you want to pause and go back or whatever and do screenshots. Just trying to get information to you guys that need it. That's it on this one, guys. I hope I helped you. If you're looking for this information, if I did, click that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos of me working on stuff out here in the garage, a little teaser, I'm rebuilding a boat again, so I'm working on the transom today. Click that subscribe button, you get to see all those videos. Until the next video, keep on tinkering.